I can't believe how big this ship is. It's like something out of a movie.
The chemical damage here is severe.
Any structural compromise?
Assessing the depth of the corrosion now. Let's sample this section.
Look at this. It's even more impressive up close.
That's incredible.
Yeah, I've never seen anything like it. This corrosion is severe.
Keep going, slowly, but it's moving. Engage primary tension. Steady pull. Oh, we've got it, don't stop. Keep it steady, slow and easy. Wait, hold it. Straighten the line. Keep it steady, guide to the left. Slow and easy. Watch the cables, hold it there. Hold it, steady on the left. Clear the way, slow down. Chains are tight, keep it moving. Check the ramp, just a little more. Hold the load, stop, lower slowly. Millimeter by millimeter, watch the starboard side. All right, hold it there. Slow drop, slowly, slowly. Extensive corrosion here. Cracks in the seam. Structural integrity compromised. Keep clearing it out. Get all the root systems. It's coming down heavy. That's where you're throwing that. Maintain the airflow, check the gauges. Treatment holding steady, sir. Good, proceed to the next section. The corrosion is severe along the build. We need to monitor the flow for any debris. Keep those pumps running strong. The bow plating shows significant stress fractures. We need more bracing here. Understood, I'll mark it. Keep the tension on that root. Watch for falling debris. Almost through. Keep it steady there. Copy that. Watch your step, mind the cable. Nice work, team.
Keep the pressure steady. Move to the right, get the peeling section. Watch the runoff, it's slippery.
All right, this one's coming loose. Careful with that one. Keep the flow steady. Monitoring pressure, looks good. Check the saturation levels on those pads. Keep it steady. Looking good. Yeah. Almost done with this joint. Excellent. The alignment is perfect. Understood, sir. Work can proceed. The alignment holds. Spacing is exact. We are ready to proceed. The geometry looks good. Ensure the heat control is steady. Okay. Affirmative. Maintaining optimal settings.
Systems indicate a slight structural shift. Maintain current pressure settings. Monitoring stability.
Keep the pressure steady on that section. Move to your right. Watch the debris, guys. Keep a steady overlap. Watch the pressure, don't overcoat. Just around the framing edges, looking good. Coming clear now. Watch the deep end. Almost got this section. Watch the front section. Push that brush hard. The mounts appear secure, but the damper on the upper starboard needs replacing.
Noted.
Noted. Any other concerns? I'm checking the pressure on the copper line. Everything looks good here. Let's test the servos. The connection point looks good. Let me double check the pressure settings here. Yes, everything is calibrated correctly. Maintenance complete.
The pressure looks stable at 50 bar. Good. Let's monitor it for another 10 minutes.
The pressure in cylinder 5 is holding steady. Display Coluland. Looks like a successful test. The pressure looks stable at 350. Check the flow on cylinder 7. Noted. Looks good. Okay, keep monitoring. The pressure stability is holding steady. Good. Let's monitor the vibration dampening next. Checking.
Pressure in the coolant pipe is stable. Gauge 7 is reading high. Adjusting the main dial now. Reading confirmed. Systems nominal.
The pressure looks steady, and let's compare with the diagnostic. Here are the intake manifold values. We're within parameters. Great work. Readings look stable on the fuel pressure. Good.
Let's check the temperature on this. I noticed a slight shooter showing the RPM.
Check the torque on the main conduit here, then secure the auxiliary lines above it. Got it. I'll head up and check those connections now. Ensure these connections are fully secured before we move up. Agreed. Let's start on the upper deck wiring now.
The primary systems are looking stable, just ensuring the cable alignment remains perfect.
Cable routing is perfectly secure.
What about
We're on the router.
Looks flawless.
Precision is key to this restoration.
The primary system is receiving power. Check the breakers. System's initializing now. Looking good. Excellent. All green. Radar acquiring signal. Line 6 is secure. Good. Start the next run. Checking. All right, this section looks good. Perfect. Now let's test the circuit. Looks like we're right on schedule. The calibration is correct. Now just boot up the main display. Copy that. The voltage reads exactly within spec. The sensor array is fully initialized and reporting nominal data. Excellent. Proceed with the final systems check.
The system appears stable.
Initiating diagnostic sequence.
Steam pressure at 200%. Flow is constant. All systems green. Looks ready for sea. perfect. The lighting is absolutely spot on. The lighting seems perfect in this section. Looks good, looks good. Let's move to the next deck. Life vests correct. Life buoys secure. Fire extinguishers labeled and ready. Excellent work. Life jackets accounted for. Fire extinguishers in position. Looking good.
Talk's good.
Done here.
Solid work, guys. Moving on.
Keep buffing there.
The paint is looking good.
Needs more elbow grease on this tile.
Keep the sandblaster steady on that thick rust. Moving to the port side with the white paint.
Keep it smooth along the bulkhead.
Looks good. Let's finish this section.
Make sure to get that edge, it's pretty rough. On it, just finishing the caulk here. Nice, let's make this thing shine. Passing you the paint bucket. Watch the pipes over there, wet paint.
The engines are online and running smoothly.
Flawless.
Solar energy is at maximum intake.
Batteries are fully charged and operating efficiently.
Initiating clean energy protocols.
The final inspection is complete.
Yeah, she's perfect, yeah. Ready for launch. Ship. Agreed. Tools go here, cables next to them. Almost done with these racks.
Clear.
Pass me that ratchet.
Cables are all coiled and ready.
Good job, team. Let's keep it organized.
That's better.
Felt like I had the whole factory floor on my face.
Same here. Good day's work.